5 Best Python Courses to Consider in 2022. KapilGuru is planning to start the 5 best Python courses to consider in 2022, as Python is considered to be the top programming language in the world. These courses are really useful and job-oriented courses. Anyone can visit www.kapilguru.com for further details or contact on mobile 8,287,001,234. Python is an object-oriented programming language. It operates a well-designed syntax that makes the program easier to read, and it is ideal for prototype development and other extempore tasks. Python contains a huge standard library that supports many common programming tools as well. It also connects to web services searching text with expressions, and reading and modifying files. We can also add new modules to extend the language. 1. Python Programming Masterclass. This course is designed for beginners who never learned how to program, and also for programmers who want to increase their career options by learning Python. After completing the course, the person will get the perfection and will be confident enough to go for Python programming jobs around the world. It has a tremendous scope in getting high-paid jobs in reputed companies. 2. The Python Mega Course, Build 10 Real-World Applications. The course teaches you to learn the complete process of the program development in Python. It includes writing a program to produce the final exe or app applicable which can be shared with others. In this course, students don't need to practice or memorize. They will be actively involved in problem solving towards achievable goals. This course helps the students to become perfect Python programmers. The students will learn by building their own actual desktop programs, developing interactive web applications, automating tasks, and even creating mobile games and apps completely in Python 3. 3. The Python Bible, Everything You Need to Program in Python. This course will teach you perfectly understand complete Python programming, and you will be able to create Python scripts on your own. This course will help you to get to data science, web development, or making robots. Each topic will be covered step by step. As you go through the course, you will gain practical hands-on experience with each of the concepts by working through fun Python projects. In other words, you will learn everything by actually doing it. 4. Python for Finance, Investment Fundamentals and Data Analytics. Through his course, you will learn coding in Python and apply these skills in the world of finance. Through this course, you learn both programming and finance. In this course, the instructor will teach very basics even if you are a complete beginner. By learning this course, the students will be able to tackle financial calculations and portfolio optimization tasks. 5. Python A to Z, Python for Data Science with Real Exercises. The teachers will concentrate on all the concepts step by step. They will give you chance to brush up on everything you have learned. They will teach the students through live examples. This training will teach you to cope with real-life challenges and how will they be solved.